Welcome to my Syngonium Neon Robusta unboxing and potting. Here I am opening this up. It just arrived, found it on the porch. It's packed nice and tight with the styrofoam. And so the Syngonium didn't move around very much. The Syngonium was shipped bare root, so this Syngonium looks absolutely beautiful. It has big, large, mature leaves, and then it's got some smaller leaves here at the bottom that didn't make it through shipping quite as well as the more established leaves did. But the color's beautiful. Overall, I'm incredibly happy with this. It's going to be hanging out with a berry illusion and a pink illusion. And so I think the size of its leaves is considerably different. And I think it'll really add kind of a variation to the Syngoniums I already have that'll be really complementary. I'm starting off the potting by choosing my pot and also using an unbleached organic coffee filter here over the drainage hole. I get it damp and place it there to keep the potting soil from going through. And now you can see I have some very dry potting soil that I ended up needing to moisten up. I make a good mess here with my spray bottle, but that's just the way that it goes. I do pot in my kitchen most of the time right here at the counter. You can see my Calathea Picturata argentea is here hanging out with me while I do this. So I'm going over the roots right now. The roots look good. They're healthy. They're still damp as well from shipping, which I'm really happy about. So now it's just a matter of situating it into the pot and seeing exactly where I want to place it. The leaves are very compact right now from having been in a tubular sort of shape, right, for so long. But I know that they're going to start to sort of stretch out a little bit once they're in the soil. So I'm thinking about how to place it. And once I've done that, I just start adding in my potting soil. Again, this is a little bit drier than it should be, frankly. So what I'm going to have to do is water this as soon as I've got the soil situated and the plants situated. But again, I just going in and making sure that the plant is sitting straight, that it's not at an angle. That's something that, to be honest with you, when I get in too much of a hurry is a little bit of a problem. Sometimes it is something I have to go back and adjust. So I'm trying to be a little better about that these days and really taking my time to make sure that the plant is sitting nice and center and that it's not tilting. So you can see me pushing down here just a little bit, making sure it gets the support that it needs. And I'm really checking to see if I have the right amount of soil, if the soil is dense enough, and drop it a couple times here onto the countertop just to make sure there's not any air pockets hiding around. And I'll kind of go in and do that a few times with my fingers, just really feeling around, helping the plant to untangle itself because it is a little bit tangled. And once I do that, you can really start to see how it takes its shape. And then just give it a little drink of water because again, the potting soil was really a little bit too dry. Once the water's settled though, I do go in again, making sure there's no air pockets, pushing down, making sure everything settles and I don't need to add anything. Then of course I have to get it puppy approved. She thinks that the Syngonium Neon Robusta is great, so do I. Thanks for hanging out with us while we were potting and unboxing. Until next time, be well and take care.